So, if you haven't already noticed, we are going to Venice. We're going to go for some tuna. We're going with my dad's friend and his two sons that are my age. So it's going to be sick. It's going to be awesome. See you in Venice. Alright guys, we just woke up. Current time is 5:09 right now. We just woke up. That's what we got going. We're going to be in the water in about 15-20 minutes. Meet the guide, start going. We'll be out of here in 30 minutes. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited, dude. Like, I don't even have a problem waking up now. Like, this is just, it's freezing in here, so I'm like ready to get out of here. Stay tuned, because it's gonna be fun. Yellowfin. Woo! Oh yeah, we got him. Fish on already. Okay, first one. Have you caught a tuna before? Me? Yeah. No. Alright, you can catch the first one. We already got one. I can't believe that.
Billy? Billy? Not Rob?
Dad. Freaking first 5, like, we haven't been out here for more than probably 2 minutes. That's crazy. Just got first ever blackfin. I mean, blackfish.
Here, come on up. We get a picture while he's going on that ride. Right. Yeah.
This one's about to be real good. About 30 minutes into the fight. About 100
150 plus are on gigantic. Oh, I see him. Jeez. That's massive. That's easy, 150.
My room's a mess. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you really enjoyed this tuna video. It was really a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll have more content like that coming. I know y'all enjoy the offshore and saltwater action stuff. Yes, we will have more fly fishing videos coming towards you soon, so stay tuned. Again, make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon.
Nice. Good job, buddy.